Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw Shiba Inu from Trust Wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have some Ethereum on your wallet. That is the native Ethereum. You could search for this token by simply using the search icon and searching for Ether, that's ETH. Once you found the Ethereum, that's this Ethereum right here. Once you have this Ethereum, make sure you have the Ethereum on your wallet, and then you could simply search for SHIB. The Shiba Inu is the token we're looking for. So make sure you have some Ethereum to cover the gas fees. So with your Ethereum available, click on the send option and then proceed to minimize and open up any wallet or centralized exchange of your choice. I'm going to be working with Binance for this video. So once you've opened up Binance, make sure you have an account. And if you don't have an account on Binance, use our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, to stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So with a verified account, click on the deposit icon and simply search for SHIB. So once you've searched for the Shiba Inu, click on the Shiba Inu token, click on the Ethereum network, that's the mainnet SHIB. So copy the wallet address, minimize and open up your Trust wallet, paste the address there, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to send, and simply click on next. Once you've done this, we can proceed to send our Shiba Inu over to our Binance, and you can confirm it by heading to the wallet section, scrolling to the overview or funding, depending on where your token is, and performing a simple reload. And once that's done, you'd find the Shiba Inu there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.